Does baking soda clean meth out of your system? When one is using remedies without scientific proof that can help eradicate meth from their system, it's dangerous. And baking soda is pretty much one of those things that can only bring more harm to your health in doing so. Baking soda is not for cleansing meth out of your system. It's commonly used in a household, and when consumed, toxicity will be the outcome. Worse would be death if taken excessively. The only way to get rid of meth out of your body is by stopping the use of drugs and with the right treatment. Keep your lifestyle healthy and ask for medical advice. Don't risk your health furthermore. Seek professional help. Reach out to us in our lines that are available 24/7, as we can be an aid to you in dealing with addiction. Call now to know more information about these matters. Does someone you love suffer from drug addiction? Don't wait until it's too late. Call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-570-2259. A caring addiction specialist is awaiting your call.